Hello beautiful friends, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to make this one pan Cajun smoked sausage recipe. This recipe is full of bold flavor with juicy smoked sausage with my favorite tender pasta and creamy Cajun sauce. So if you guys are interested to see more how I make this recipe, keep on watching. To get this recipe started, we're going to use a teaspoon of oil, a teaspoon of unsalted butter. Next, we're going to add our favorite smoked sausage to the pot. Make sure the pot is nice and hot. We're going to cook for about 3 to 5 minutes on both sides. Then we're going to continue with this delicious creamy Cajun style pasta recipe. To continue with this delicious Cajun style pasta recipe, we're going to add our fresh onion to the pot. Now we're going to give it a very nice mix. We're going to saute the onion for 30 seconds. Now is the perfect time to add our fresh onion to the pot. So for this Cajun style pasta recipe, I am using red onion and yellow onion. You can use whatever onion you like to make this delicious Cajun style pasta recipe. We're going to saute again for about 30 seconds. Now we're going to add our minced garlic to the pot. If you have fresh garlic, you can use it as well. Now is the perfect time to add our seasoning. So we're going to use our favorite Cajun seasoning. Next, we're going to add our garlic powder, ground black pepper, now we're going to mix to combine those ingredients. Now we're going to add 1 cup of chicken broth to the pot, and that looks very good. As you guys can see, this pasta recipe is going to be nice and creamy. We're going to mix to combine the ingredients. To add more flavor to our Cajun pasta recipe, we're going to add 2 cups of heavy cream. Now we're going to mix very well to combine those ingredients. We're going to let the pasta sauce simmer down for about 30 seconds. Then I'm going to go in with my favorite farfalle pasta recipe. So for this recipe, you can use whatever pasta you like. Now we're going to add some garlic powder, onion powder, and more Cajun seasoning, and this is what our pasta looks like. Go right ahead and add your favorite Parmesan cheese to the pot. And that looks absolutely beautiful, guys. So the spinach is optional for this recipe. We're going to mix very well. Make sure the cheese is fully melted into the sauce. It's going to give the pasta a nice creamy, rich flavor. Once our Parmesan cheese is fully melted, this is what our pasta looks like. But this is not the final results, guys. As you guys can see, we're going to let the pasta simmer down for about 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, this is what our pasta looks like. Absolutely beautiful, so delicious, so creamy. As you guys can see, the sauce came out so rich and the pasta was so flavorful. So the sauce definitely complements this recipe, and the smoked sausage was a keeper. It's so flavorful. Give the recipe so much flavor. I hope you guys enjoy watching this Cajun style pasta recipe. One of my favorite pasta recipe. Bold flavor, tender pasta, creamy Cajun sauce. If you guys interested to see more of this video, please check the description box. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you guys in the next one. Take care. Bye.